Hey everyone, welcome back to Bear's Workshop. In today's video we have the 88th flyover of the Nikola site in Coolidge, Arizona. Temperature today when we flew was wet and rainy. So we got what footage we could, but we waited out there about 2 hours hoping it would clear up for more footage. But the rain kept a coming. We had a few small windows to fly and we were able to get some footage for you guys, but we also got stuck in the mud trying to get out. About 10 minutes of trying and then we threw a towel down in the mud and that got us out. Not a great day for flying. But on the bright side, we saw that the Nikola sign was lit up. See what I did there? You can see the Nikola employees are all parked outside and getting it done on the inside. Hopefully Thursday's flight will have better weather. If you like this video, please hit that like button. If you want to see more content like this in the future, please hit that subscribe button. Also, check out our Patreon account down below. Any kind of support from you guys is really appreciated, so please take a look at that. And don't forget to check us out on Twitter. Now, let's go fly.